Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to continue with fractions and decimals and to continue to show how these can be converted from one to the other. Okay. Now, what I want to do today, now this is session 9. Okay. Session 9, and what we're going to look at is which is the larger number. Okay. 7/10 or 0.71. 1.07 or 1/17 1,000. 1.004 or 1 and 1/200. Okay. Now all I'm going to do is to show the difference in each value, and I'm not going to hopefully take too long on illustrating that point, because you would have done enough division already to recognize how to do that process yourselves right now. Okay, so let's look at this first. Okay, let me just get my pen and let me get a strong color. Okay, today, and I don't want it to fix, so let me just go back with it a bit. Okay, and this is the one we're looking at first. Okay, this one here. Okay, and what I want to do is to bring this out to here. Just to illustrate. Now, if we take 7/10 and divide it, so what we're going to do is divide 7 by 10. That's what it's asking us to do. Now, 7 divided by 10 equals 0.7. So 7 divided by 10 equals 0.7. Now, is 0.7 bigger than 0.71? No, it's not. 0.71 is slightly larger. It has an extra digit, 1,000. Well, sorry, 100. Okay, it has an extra hundreds, so therefore 0.71 is larger. So let me put that. Now please note these 3 dots that I'm putting here, these 3 dots mean therefore. Not 0.71 is larger. Is, let me put that in. Is larger. LARC G E larger. And let me get the rubber and rub this out. I'm not trapping with you there. Okay, so let me get my pen back. Thank you. is L is larger. Sorry about the scribbly writing, but that's how it comes out at times. Okay, it's larger. Now we're onto this one, next one, so let me just change the color of this again so we can see what we're looking at. Okay, put it into there. We're now doing this one, okay. Okay. It's going to come out to somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Now it's 1.07 or 1/17/1000 larger. Let's find out. So what we need to look at now is to divide. We know that's 1/17/1000. So let's find out if it's larger than 1.07. And what we need to do, we need to divide 17 by 1000 to bring it to a decimal. Okay. Let's see how that works. Okay, so we're going to bring 17. Now I'm just going to do this simply, okay, because I've done a lot of the work for you already. So we can say that 17 divided by 1000 is 0.017. So that will come out to 1.07, which is larger. Okay, so therefore that's going to come to 1.07 So therefore, which is larger? Obviously, change numbers, change colors. This is larger. Okay. Okay. No, it's not. Sorry. It's okay. No, it's not. 1.07. Sorry, my mistake. My apologies. And again, I will not edit my mistakes. Okay, so let me just go to my rubber. Take him out. Okay. That will not be larger. This will be larger. Okay. 1.07 is larger. Okay, so let's get my pen back. Get you back on there. Okay, close you down. Okay. And sorry, my apologies, this is larger. Okay. It's 1.07, that is 1.01. That has to be smaller. Okay, larger. So let me put it larger. larger. Okay. Right, now I do not edit my mistakes because what I would like to do is to make sure that you can learn from them yourselves. Okay, so okay, next one is 1.004 or 1 and 1/200th larger, which is the largest basically. Okay, so and again this will be for you to work it yourselves. Okay, so let me choose a different color for this one as well. Okay, I'll go with blue. Okay, close them down for now. We're looking at this one now. Okay, okay. So when we look at this, we take this into account. We have to take it into account. It's 1.004 or 1 and 1/200th, which is the largest. That's what we're asking the question on. And let me see what I can ask, how to try to illustrate this. So if we divide 1 by 200, it gives us 1.005. So we have 1.004. Okay, 1.004. Okay, which is larger. Then when we deal with the other side, we then have 1.005. So the question then is 1.004 larger than 1.005? And the answer to that is yes. 1.004 is larger than 1.005. 1.005 is going smaller. Okay. But do feel free to question my methods by all means, because I'm trying to do this from memory, and my memory is not good these days. Okay, so please do bear with me. But this should be the larger one, 1.004. and this one refers to this here. Okay. Yes, this is larger. But again, I could be totally wrong, so, but again, I am going to with what I believe to be right. This is larger, okay? Larger. Okay. It's strangely how you can get confusing doing this actually when you've done it for a number of times and then you suddenly sit down to stop to think about it, and you begin to question your own answers yourself. Quite peculiar. Okay. Now again, I don't want to take this over too long. Okay. Three scientists are carrying out the same experiment. They each measure the amount of chemical that they have left at the end of the experiment. Scientist 1, 2.265 grams. Scientist 2, 2 and 25th 32 grams. Scientist 3, 2 and 5/6 of a gram. Which scientist has the largest amount of chemicals left? Now, this one here comes up to 2.78 grams. Okay. This one here comes out to 2.83 grams. Okay, and we know that this one here is already 2.265 grams. So which scientist has the largest amount of chemicals left? It will be, let me just see, it will be this one. That's the one that has the largest amount of chemicals left. Okay. Okay. Wow, this is a lot of work, isn't it? No, but I gotta show you how to do it. I'll put it on. Now it's okay, I'm just discussing here whether or not to do these examples for you, but it's important that you understand how these are worked out and how we arrive at these solutions. Now it's no good me just putting it onto my channel without showing an explanation or a process for working them out. Otherwise, I will not be teaching you anything. Okay. So what we're going to look at next time is going to be multiplications and division of decimals by powers of 10. Okay. And you can see here, for instance, that here with 4.71 to times 100, 10.51 plus 1000, okay, so forth. How we actually make that happen and bring that to a process. What I want to do is show you how this is multiplied in a sense. Even though we can just move decimal points, zeros, in respect of the number of zeros we have, we also need to know how to multiply it out. Okay. Okay. That's it for now. Okay. Thank you for your time. I hope you find this useful. And again, please feel free to look at what I've done and try to ensure that my process works for you and it is the correct process. Thank you. Bye-bye.